Merry Christmas, McCain. McCain got a stuffed toy that he's not playing with. Oh, where did he go? No.
No, wait. Don't leave, gumdrop people. Your stopping skills are great.
They are afraid. It is the cave of the flesh-devouring beast.
What is with this planet? Does Celia have a cave with cute little kittens?
Jim, we gotta finish this mission. We only have 12 hours
Thanks,
the ship takes off.
Let's go.
Through the cave is the only way to your ship.
He jumps all over her, like on top of her, through her, like.
You'll need screamers. Nothing screams festive like screamers. Hello. Oh, and some goodie bags for when your guests leave. It's a fun, simple way to say thanks for coming. Lord, try my pass.
Maybe we'll get lucky and this beast will only devour our flesh with his eyes.
Mom, you're not recording.
I am. I am.
Oh, are you?
Look, put it through the middle, through your legs. He's biting your feet. He was playing with my sock. He grabbed my sock and just bounced it all over and just throwing it up.
And the pee too.
And the what?
And the pee.
Yeah, he put it in pee.
He was biting on my
Your
feet.
fear, imagine what you're most afraid of, and then imagine overcoming it.
It's breaking free.
Come on, you can do it, Kilowatt. Be brave.
Hey, let's go. Hey!
It's blocking the way out.
We're trapped.
I've been scared my entire life. But you showed me how to control it.
Kilowatt, no, what are you doing?
What I must. Kilowatt.
What is that? Hey! Now you're eating. Different thing.
If you follow me, I will only grow stronger.
Okay?
Why did you do that?
Kiko.
Oh, so stupid. And brave. Oh, that was the bravest thing I've ever seen.
Whoa. Wow, where are we?
Mom. Mom.
This must be the dark cloud of Id.
It's making me feel weird and depressed. I shouldn't even be here. I'm just a low-rent circus chef.
How does that make you feel?
Like a stupid pet trick, which is all I am, a joke. I could be replaced by a cannonball.
Crying, sobbing. They're running out of oxygen. Come on, sport.
Hey, now.
I'm almost there. I'm not even a good chimp.
Alright.
I've never once said thank you to Houston.
Come here.
Okay?
McCain, come here.
All my life I've been
Say bye.
famous grandpa's shit.
Bye, McCain. Look at McCain's toy. Look. Oh, there's McCain's toy. McCain got a toy. Bye. Bye.
I knew I could never become a hero. So I just said
Bye, McCain.